What causes HVAC systems to fail prematurely? The main causes are poor airflow, skipped maintenance, incorrect installation, electrical problems, refrigerant leaks, moisture damage, and repeated short cycling. A clogged air filter makes the system work harder because air cannot move through easily, and that extra strain can overheat parts or freeze the cooling coil. Replace the filter as often as the equipment in your home require, often every 1 to 3 months, and check it sooner if you have pets, dust, or construction nearby. A system that is too large for the house may cool the rooms quickly, but shut off before removing enough humidity, causing frequent starts and stops called short cycling. Ask a qualified technician to check whether the equipment size matches the home instead of assuming bigger is better. Refrigerant does not normally disappear, so low refrigerant usually points to a leak that should be found and repaired rather than simply refilled. Keep outdoor equipment clear of grass, leaves, and stored items so the coil can release heat. Dirty coils, blocked vents, weak ductwork, and closed registers can also reduce airflow and quietly damage the blower or compressor. One lesser-known problem is a clogged drain line, which can cause water to back up, damage electrical parts, and create mold near the indoor unit. Schedule professional maintenance before the heating and cooling seasons, and ask the technician to inspect electrical connections, drain parts, duct airflow, refrigerant levels, and safety controls. One common mistake is changing the filter but ignoring blocked return vents, so keep furniture and rugs away from every return opening. Another mistake is waiting until the system stops working, so arrange maintenance when you notice weak airflow, unusual sounds, rising energy bills, or rooms that stay uncomfortable. Many people also accept repeated refrigerant refills as normal, but a leak can harm performance and the compressor, so request leak testing and a written repair recommendation. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.